flat. It's got maybe, I'm gonna guess, 5 psi in it, right? Seems to be a manufacturer issue with these tires, and I can't.
Make the ground shake.
Alright guys, we are on our way to Houston from San Antonio to pick up the new wheels for the Corvette. I'm thinking about changing the color of them once I get them back. I don't know if I'll do like powder coating or plastidip or what. I need to figure out what color. Do I want to do black? Do I want to do gray, silver, something different? I don't even know yet, but it's gonna be interesting. I gotta figure that out here in the next week after I pick them up. But for now, you probably don't want to watch me drive all the way to Houston. We're gonna make this the quickest trip between San Antonio and Houston ever, right now. Welcome to Houston and welcome to Houston Car Spotting. Nice Nissan GTR right there. So maybe I should also add that I lived in Houston for about 5 years before I moved back to San Antonio, is where I'm originally from. So I have a love-hate relationship with Houston. All right guys, I am just about here, and so I'm gonna turn the camera off here because the guy doesn't know that I'm filming, so I don't want to roll up to his house with the camera on. But also you'll notice just about every one of these like suburban neighborhoods in Houston is exactly the same. If you're from Houston, you could probably agree with me there. It's kind of weird, but anyway, let me pick up the wheels and then I'll be right back. New wheels are here. I've gotten them picked up. Let me show you what they look like. I gotta adjust them here in the back so they don't fall on me. There you go, look at that. Nice chrome Grand Sport wheels, and look at the tread left on these tires. I got a killer deal. There's a little bit of curb rash on this one, which is why they were cheap, but that's cool. These are just gonna be replacing the ones I got, and I plan on either repowder coating them or painting them anyway, so that's what I got. Now I gotta haul them back to San Antonio. More Houston Car Spotting, got a sweet Alfa Romeo. And now it's getting away. Okay. I decided to take a little bit of a break here on the drive. Stopped at a Chevy dealer here in Houston to check out what Corvettes they have on the lot. Not because I want to buy one of these, but I need to go color shopping. I need to go color shopping for my 2020 or 21. And I wanted to see what they had on the lot. So let's take a look around. Look at this Sebring orange. This is a Grand Sport. You know, I really love this color. Really, really pops. I've normally never been an orange car guy, but this color on this car, it's amazing. Tell me what you think about that color. So here's a few they have in the front. Here's black. This one's black. This one is silver. Blade silver. And this one right here is ceramic matrix gray. This is the one I wanted to look at. I was hoping they'd have one of these. I haven't really gotten a great look at it in person, but I think this is the color I like the most in the 2020s. Alright, we got a couple more up here. Another black one. I learned I don't want another black car. And an Elkhart blue. You know, I like this color. It kind of has that medium blue of the old Lamar blue, and it's just a nice medium metallic blue. I like it. So check out this blue one. It's 73,000. It's a Z51. It's a 2LT. So the 2LT was 4,455 last year. The total price $74,000. So to me, this one's a good example of why the 2020 is such a good deal. I mean, for $5,000 on top of a $60,000 base price for $65,000, you can get a Z51. Another $7,000 for the 2LT. That's $72,000. I think it's $74,000. So you know, it's got a couple of extra options on it, but the pricing on this 2020 is so good. It is so good that you can get basically the same car for not much difference. So I'm gonna go see what another dealership. They didn't have nearly as many as I'd hoped, so I might go to another dealer and check it out. All right, different Chevy dealer. They got a couple different colors here. There's a Long Beach red, which I think looks really nice, but just not quite the look I'm looking for in a car. But over here is a Arctic White ZR1. This thing is awesome looking. Of course, it's got the chrome wheels. Of course, I would have liked it black, but still, it's got the adrenaline red interior. Look at the sticker price, $138,000. Man, it's loaded with 3ZR. It's got just about all the options. Has a nice carbon fiber on the roof, carbon fiber rim. I'm actually at the dealership right now that we bought a Chevy from when we lived in Houston. We bought a 2010 Chevy Equinox back when they were brand new in 2010. It was an okay car until about 4 or 5 years in, and then it started to kind of, you know, turn into a Chevy. So I'm gonna go see what else they have on the back lot. All right, here we go. Here's a few more. Got a black one with the red interior and the red pinstripe on the wheels. That is cool. That's pretty cool. It's 2019 Z51. That's pretty awesome. So then we got another Elkhart blue. That's a Grand Sport. Got the wide body on it. There's another black one. It's another black Stingray. That's a black Grand Sport. That's with the Stingray. Here's a Blade Silver Stingray, which I really like silver, especially with the black accents. But you know, I just had a couple of silver cars, and I don't think I would get another silver one just because I've had so many of them in other cars. Houston, it is hot out here. Good Lord. It's probably only like 95, but the humidity is just insane. I forgot. I've been gone for a few years. Humidity's not as bad in San Antonio, but man, 95 here feels like that 105 there. It's insane. Check this out. So it's not a Corvette, but it's a nice GT350. Check that out. Black on black. This thing is pretty badass. Of course it's not open, I never know. Yeah. That thing is clean. I really thought about getting one of these back when I was looking for a car here 2 years ago. But it's just, I need something I can drive to work every day. So it's $49,380. It's used, it's got 10,000 miles. So if anyone's interested, Westside Chevrolet, not at all sponsored, but they've got it there. Seems like not a bad deal. Black on black GT350. Not an R, but just a GT350. I did think about getting one of those, but I need something I can drive to work. I need something I can drive the kids. It has a back seat, so that's why I was thinking about it, but it's just not practical. So I'll keep the Corvette, and then I got the Volvo to drive to work every day. So no luck finding a ceramic matrix gray, but I did see a few other colors, nothing I hadn't already seen before. So anyway, I think that'll call it a day for the trip to Houston. I'm going to now drive back to San Antonio, got the wheels in the back, and now it's going to be the fastest trip back to San Antonio ever right now. So if any of you guys are from Texas, you probably know about Buc-ee's, the gas stations. If you are not from Texas, this is Buc-ee's, the gas station. Let's just say it's almost like an amusement park as far as parking. I don't know if they have like parking people out here sometimes, like keep track of stuff. There's lines for the gas stations. There's people just loitering outside. This is the OG Buc-ee's travel stop in Luling, Texas. It's not the original Buc-ee's, but it's the original of the large travel stop. So they got another gas pump way out there that's always packed. I'm gonna park over here a little bit out of the way. you guys like that? That is Buc-ee's. That is a Texas-sized gas station. I'm gonna drive through the front of the parking lot so you guys get to see how that looks. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is a Texas institution. I don't know if that's a thing, but it is. Well, back on the road, back to San Antonio. Welcome back to, well, the hill country, not San Antonio. I don't actually live in San Antonio. I live, out in hill country north of San Antonio, and that's where I am going, and that's where we are. So that was the quickest trip back from Houston to, well, north of San Antonio. Got to get these wheels unloaded now. We're back home. Hey, leave a comment down below on what you think I should do with these wheels. Should I leave them chrome? Should I paint them? Should I powder coat them? Should I just plastidip them? Whatever. And let me know what color. Also, I'm going to try to get a series going of rebuilding this Corvette because I need to get it back going to its good condition. So this will be video number 1. The next one will be what we're going to do with these wheels and putting them on. So see you next time. Hit subscribe and follow this playlist. See you next time.